A is for apple, shiny and red. B is for ball that we happily tread. C is for cat with eyes so bright. D is for dog who guards at night. E is for elephant, big and kind. F is for fish with a tail that shines. G is for goat on a hill so high. H is for hen saying cluck nearby. I is for ice cream, sweet and cold. J is for joker, funny and bold. K is for kite that flies in the sky. L is for lion with a powerful cry. M is for moon that glows at night. N is for nest, small and tight. O is for orange, juicy and round. P is for parrot with colorful sound. Q is for queen with crown so bright. R is for rainbow, a lovely sight. S is for sun that lights our day. T is for tree where birds can stay. U is for umbrella, rain we hold. V is for van, both big and old. W is for water, clear and true. X is for Zara, for music for you. Y is for yarn that cats love to play. Z is for zebra in stripes of gray.